G'day YouTube, this is part of an ongoing series of videos about how to install something, anything through the terminal in this particular operating system. And this one of course is Zorin OS. So let's go ahead to the terminal, already open in my case, if not for you, hit Ctrl-Alt-T and then type in the following command, sudo, and I'll explain all this soon, sudo apt install and the package you want. In this case I'll use htop, a great little app there. So basically sudo for root privileges, apt for, that's the update method type, install is the command, and htop is the app. Go ahead there, throw in your password and install away, everyone's a winner. So like I say, always super simple quick video to show you guys how to install something or anything in Zorin OS, the operating system, which is of course based on Ubuntu, so it's some of you guys may have already guessed this one in this case. So cheers guys, like I say, super simple and quick video, and thanks for your time.